What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great new year. Hope you guys had a great Christmas with your families. But today we are finally gonna start the prep for the paint. So I already have all of this cleaned off. I already wiped it with the grease and wax remover. Now I just gotta start sanding. So let's get to it. If we finish sanding it today, or like in the next couple of hours or so, I do plan on putting it on the car, just because that's the bumper that's gonna get painted with the car, because the black one needs a lot of work on it. So we're gonna worry about that later, but for now I want to get this sanded down and put on the car. So let's get to it. Alright, so we're pretty much done, guys. I already got in the vents, middle, and that side. I want to take this grill off because I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or get some type of aftermarket one, but I need to take this off so I could get in between this crack. And also I think I might not put it in the car because it has an air bubble from the fiberglass right here. So I might end up taking this, or I might just end up chopping it and repairing it. Same thing on this side because that's a big crack. So I also need to sand this bottom part right here, but for the most part we're pretty much done. We got all the vents, like I said. So yeah, let's get to taking this grill off and sanding the rest of it. But damn, I didn't know this was kind of a bitch, man. My hands are cramping up. Let me get the right size socket and then we'll take that off, and then same thing, I'll set you guys up and I'll start sanding the rest. All right guys, it's a new day today, but I got everything sanded down completely. Got some primer on it just because there were some low spots, like right here. I put some Bondo because there was a chip right here, so I had to fill that in. Got it all sanded down, it's smooth. Same thing on this side, there was a small little crack like right here. Put some Bondo on it, sanded down, put primer on it. For the most part the bumper's all done. So what I think I'm gonna do now is I am gonna sand my grill, just because I don't really know if I'm gonna go with the OE or if I'm gonna go with a aftermarket one. But for now I'm gonna just sand it, make sure it's nice and smooth, so that just in case I end up not going with something aftermarket, I could just put this back on, paint it, and send it out on its way. But that's all I gotta do, and then we'll go ahead and put it on the car.
2 hours later.
All right, so already got the grill primed, sanded down. I only have held on by 2 bolts just because when we go to paint it, we're gonna have to take it off either way. So yeah, let's go ahead and put this on the car already. So I'll set you guys up. We're gonna take the other bumper off and we're gonna put this one back on, and it'll be set for the day that it goes to paint, which should be pretty soon, because all I gotta do is sand the rest of the body of the car and we should be solid. So let's get to it. Let's get this on the car. And just like that, guys, everything's put back on. Bumper's all good. I did see the crack that I was right here came back up and split apart, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but oh well, it's smaller than it was before. So this side is still good, so I'm happy with that. Old bumpers over there, new bumpers on. Well, old bumpers back on. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. Also, these headlights are gonna leave because we're going with something different, so that's probably gonna be the next video. But for now, let me know what you guys think. If you guys got any tips for sanding down the rest of the car, any tips, any tricks to make it a little bit easier, I guess, please leave it down in the comments. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment. You guys have a great rest of your guys' day, and I'll see you guys on the next one.